John Deere. So it was just holy dirt. Wow. It was just like almost 90 degrees a little bit ago. Now that the sun's gone, I don't even know where it went. But now that the sun's gone, it's cooled down to just below 80. And this breeze is really helping. And I guess this storm is supposed to skim right over, which I hope is the case, because I'd like to stay dry when I get this 369, which, by the way, is terminating in Willard today. So that'll be interesting. And then we also got M370 coming with a mace leader. So I'll be staying for that too. Starting to feel a couple raindrops. I guess there is a big honking rain cloud over us. But I don't think we're going to suffer today. I could really use the cool off anyway, so this is actually quite nice. Well, I think I made a miscalculation. It's starting to rain. I'm hearing thunder. Holy Jesus. Woo! This is sideways. Holy crap. I made a very bad miscalculation. I can't see anything out here. This might have to be I can't even hear myself think. Oh my gosh. I can't even see like a quarter of a mile down the tracks. But that's about all the visibility I have, is what's in front of me. Not even that. I think this might have to be my shot at 369, guys. Oh, now the wind's coming this way. How are these gates not coming down yet? Not like lowering, but how have they not fallen off the mast yet? This wind is insane. Wow. A future tip for rail fanning, especially if you're new, always plan accordingly with the weather. Always know what is going to happen. Even if it's hard to predict, at least if you have an idea, you'll be fine. I didn't have any idea, so I'm not fine. I hope the rain at least eases down, so maybe I can attempt to get out of my car for 369. I can't even wear my glasses, they're soaked. So we sit and we wait. Not only for trains, but for storms to pass. What happened to your car? Holy, look at you. It's calmed down a little, I can see in front of me again. Just not with the camcorder, but the Cleveland line's over there. M370's in Kent. M369 is God only knows where. So if we have a meet or something, or if 370 gets here first, I might have to go to the other side so I don't get blocked. Oh, that's not gonna be fun. Oh, Lord. Look at that! The skies have opened up! No way! That's wonderful, the storm's relenting.
down from Chippewa, had a station wagon and $100, thinking about the girl I'd lost a year before. I hadn't seen her for some time, thought I might go on by, when your memory came flooding in and you closed that door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a diesel locomotive. I'd come whistling down your track and crashing in your door. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I didn't have a heart. You need a shovel for the coal just to get me started. Wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train, baby, wish I was a freight train.